Maybe this is also what you're here for. Will Smith is in the worst shape of his life.
No, not at all. That's terrible news. Oh no.
I like it because, it's the opposite of what you typically see on social media. Like usually everybody's trying to put on a front and look perfect and Photoshop and whatever else. And his latest post says, what's the caption? I want to get the correct caption. I'm going to be real with y'all. I'm in the worst shape of my life. That's the caption.
Honesty.
That's the caption.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm in the worst shape of my life. It has almost 100,000 comments, 6.19 million likes.
Uh-huh.
Is this exactly what we need to see? Like a guy catches a ball 97 miles per hour, and then you scroll to the next one, and Will Smith's like, I'm in the worst shape of my life.
The more real, the better.
Like maybe COVID been hard on people. Maybe they can relate to this.
Yeah.
You know what? Me too. I suppose there's a limit to it.
Yeah. Imagine he's like 300 pounds.
Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? There's always somebody who's worse off. Like somebody can look at it and go, how dare you say you're out of shape? You should see me.
Yeah. It's not a contest, though.
I can't even move. How dare you? Insensitive. Yeah. He's like, no, look, he's just saying for him, he's in the worst shape of his life. So I think that's fair. It's fine. But yeah, it's an interesting angle. And
for sure.
I don't mind it because it feels a bit different. So shout out.
It's a very unflattering pose there, too. But it's real.
Unflattering pose.
You got to do what you got to do.
It's captured in the moment because you can see his hand is still moving.
Yeah.
And it's a bad facial expression. Like nothing about it is ready for posting.
Exactly. But he did it anyway, so good on him.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. I feel the same way as you. Go ahead. What were you gonna say?
I mean, I just read that Will Smith is gonna make like a YouTube original.
Yes, I saw that as well. Was there any more detail on that? Because that's about all I read.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think
Same with Alicia Keys.
I don't think they gave details on what it's going to be, but he is working on a YouTube original. Absolutely, yeah. He's been investing a lot of his energy into social media, both Instagram and YouTube.
Right.
And who knows? Maybe if he keeps broadcasting the lack of shape that he's in, that might be a success story right there.
Yeah, this could be his new role.